you face the Cash Explosion Studio audience? How about like a boss? Now, David broke the news last week. The countdown is on until we pack the game board with special prizes like vacations, electronics, shopping sprees, you guys, and more. Well, that's happening in 2 weeks. Keep sending those entries in, everybody. But you know what's happening right now? I'm gonna let you in on it. These 4 players are gonna stack up some cash. Let's get the winning started. Ed from Warren plays first. Marty from Atwater. Greg from Olmsted Falls. And then Pamela from Upper Sandusky faces the big board. $87,100 in total cash prizes, $45,000 in bonus bucks, and 6 doubles will help one of the players from Game 1 advance to the cash challenge. All right, hey. You have to help me do something.
All right.
You're gonna get the winning started.
All right.
Go like this. Oh my God, you just fired up the big board. You're in the O column.
I'll try the C.
The C. What is the C holding? $3,100. Good start. Okay, Marty, your turn is here. You're in the X column.
S.
The S. Behind that S, 2,200. Okay, Greg. Greg is in the I column.
Give me the H.
The H. Behind that H, you have gotten yourself a big old double. Big things happen when you get doubles. Hit your button again, and we're going to find just how big things are going to get for you. Behind that O, we are doubling $2,600. You got $5,200 to start. Pamela.
Yes.
Let's do it. In column.
A.
The A. What is behind that A? $2,000. This is going pretty good so far. Right now in the lead, Greg, $5,200. Pamela, we're staying on you. Pam, you ready to take your second turn?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
because
I am.
we have to get you some money. That's what it's all about here. E column.
A.
The A. Behind that A, $10,000 in bonus bucks. Nice job. Thank you. No, thank you for playing Cash Explosion.
thank you, Lord.
The board is a little lighter now. It's going to get even a
Yeah.
little lighter after we show you what's behind that $10,000 bonus. What is
Okay.
that? $4,000. Oh my gosh, that was a $14,000 turn. Okay, Ed, that could happen for you.
I hope so.
It could even be more.
I hope.
You're in the P column.
Let's try the H.
The H. What did Ed find? $1,500. Okay, Marty.
I'm ready.
But a bump. In column.
C.
The C. $2,100. Okay, you're off to a really good start, Greg, and you have big plans with your money. You got property on Lake Erie. So being on the lake, man,
Gotta have a boat.
gotta have a boat. What kind of boat?
probably like about a 27-foot Boston
Ooh.
whaler.
Okay.
Do some serious walleye fishing.
Right, walleye fishing. Yeah, Lake Erie is the best place to do walleye fishing.
Capital of the world.
Perch too.
Yeah.
You can get some good perch there too.
Absolutely.
All right, you taking all of us on a ride?
Sure.
Okay, good, good. Better be a really big boat, or we all better shrink. Hit your button there. You're in the X column.
Give me the C, please.
The C. You have another double.
Very good.
You know what? I see boat in your future. Hit your button again. We're gonna double the money behind that in. What is it? $2,000, Greg. We're adding $4,000 to your total. Oh my gosh. All of these cash totals are looking pretty good. They're climbing, and there is still a turn to go. So stick around to see who can snag the most and send themselves to the cash challenge. With nearly $2 million more cash prizes, this Cash Explosion Instant Ticket is more explosive than ever. Hey, as always, if your ticket shows entry 3 times, congratulations. You can enter a drawing to be on the biggest money grab on TV. Enter online or through the mail. And if you are one of the lucky tickets selected, we're going to give you the good news right here one Saturday night. Do you have your tickets yet this week, Ohio? Welcome back to Cash Explosion. All right, players, this is it. This is your last chance to make a comeback if you need to. Like right now, Marty, you have the most catching up to do. Okay? You could also pad your pockets with just more cash if it doesn't help you get to the cash challenge, but you know you're going to leave here with a lot of money. Either way, go ahead, Marty. X column. Wait, Marty. Don't choose yet.
What
Because
is that?
this is what I'm going to say to you.
Okay.
One of those has a double. Both could be a double. Cross your fingers, okay? And let's hope that you find one. Go ahead, pick a letter.
A.
The A. What is behind that A? $3,500. I'm digging it. Okay, Greg.
All right.
E column.
Let's go with the S, please.
The S. Behind that S, $2,000. Pamela? Yes. Your third turn. O column. Chance for a game changer.
H.
H. And yes, we will give you what is behind there, $3,500. Ed, you're gonna put this thing to bed.
I hope.
Are you ready?
Ready.
E column.
I'll try this. The C.
The C. What is behind that C? $2,300. You guys enjoy all your winnings. Going to the cash challenge. It's Greg.
All right.
It's Greg. Okay, Greg. Right now you have $11,200. That's right now. What are we doing? Look at this lovely audience. We are doubling it to $22,400 down
you.
payment on that speedboat.
Thank you.
Okay, who wouldn't want to be in Greg's shoes right now? I know I would love to be, but you know what? You got to buy Cash Explosion tickets, and you got to send in those entries. Let's see what we left up on the board.
Oh, man, that was so much fun. I've been blessed. Where do you have better chances of hitting the lottery and being guaranteed cash money? You got to play the game. Ohio, get out there, buy your tickets. It's great.
For 29 years, Cash Explosion has filled the airwaves and filled the pockets of everyday people week after week. Now, whether you've been with us since day one, or if you're relatively new to the show, you are in for a Cash Explosion celebration like never before when we celebrate our 30th anniversary in 2017. But you know Cash Explosion, we like to spread the wealth around. So we are going to get the party started early with special features coming up this year, 2016. So keep tuning in and sending in your tickets, Ohio, because the best is truly yet to come. Who's here to get paid? It's Lee from Wilmington. So is Dave from Clyde. Corey from Cincinnati. And finally, Dan from St. Mary's. All right. You guys put an investment down on that $2 ticket that brought you here. Now you're going to make a withdrawal, and Lee, you're going to go grab that cash first. I column.
I'll take the C.
The C for Lee. $2,500. All right, Dave. O column for you.
S.
The S. And behind that S, $2,700. We have Corey. Corey's in the E column.
C.
The C. The C for Corey. What is behind there? $2,400. And Dan is the man right now. X column, Dan.
A.
The A. Behind that A. Dan is the man for sure.
Thank you.
$25,000 in
that's
bonus
fantastic.
bucks. It's like amazing.
I'm amazed.
Oh, you are?
I'm amazed.
Why are you amazed?
I just feel like the luckiest guy in the world right
You
now.
are. I was going to say, you're on Cash Explosion. Everything is amazing around
It is.
here.
That it is.
Where's that $25,000 going? You have anybody in the audience with you
I've
today?
got an executive committee with me. They'll probably help me decide what to do with
They're
it.
going to help
so.
you destroy it.
There
I
you
know.
go.
Yeah.
Right?
Look, oh, see, yeah, there they are. Okay, well, you know what? You can let them have that if you want, because
Oh.
behind, you made it sound like no.
No,
Okay. Behind that $25,000 square is a little something for Dan. What is it?
All right.
$3,400. All right, that was a fat turn for Dan. We are taking our second turn, and Corey, we're coming over to you. You got to
All right.
win big now.
All right.
The middle turn. You're in the L column.
A.
The A, Corey, $3,500 for you. All right, your second turn came really quick, didn't it? Ooh. You said that like I really can't wait to see what this turn
I'm
gives me.
excited. Yeah.
You're in the I column.
H.
The H, behind that H, $5,000. What? Okay, Lee. It's more money up there, lots more.
There is.
Doubles too. We need to see one of those. O column.
Give me the H.
The H, behind that H, $3,000. Okay, Dave. S column for you.
A.
The A, behind that A. You found a double! It's not time. Okay, somebody's getting their money doubled, and I would say it's Dave. Behind that S, what are we doubling? $2,800. You got $5,600 added to your game total. Okay, 2 turns down, and Dan is holding on to that lead by $100, I might add. Well, can he fend off his challengers in the third turn? Keep it right here to find out. You are watching Cash Explosion. How does it feel to win on Cash Explosion? Spending $2 for a Cash Explosion ticket is the only way to find out for yourself. Hey, you gotta get on this show. quite the interesting story. Dan, you have run marathons in all 50 states.
That's correct, yes.
Yes.
Just ran my first one at 50, my last one at 60, and they were both here in Columbus. The 60th one was for my 60th birthday.
That is outstanding. Right now you have, oh my gosh, more than $33,000.
Wow.
But I've got to tell Lee right now, this game is far from over. Okay, we still have 5 game changers left on that big board. This is the game changer round. We're going to see if you can find one. All of you, hopefully you can find one. There's enough for everybody. So Lee, are you ready to try and change your game?
I'm ready.
Got it. You're in the S column.
I'll take the C.
The C, what is behind that C? For Lee, $2,000. Okay, Dave. O column for you. Out of the game changer.
S.
The S. Dave, you have $2,500, well over the $10,000 mark. And you know what? We are going to go to a break. I know, Corey, you wanted to take your turn, but we also have to get paid around here. All right, we'll be back. You're watching Cash Explosion. Somebody's going to the Cash Challenge. Welcome back to Cash Explosion, the game you need to be on, the game that Corey is on, and she is about to take her 3rd turn. Let's see what you find.
All right.
I column.
All right. S.
The S. Behind that S, Corey, $2,900. And Dan, you've got a lot of people to spend this money on. You're in the S column.
S.
The S. Behind that S, $2,200. Boy, close game. Going to the Cash Challenge, though. It's Dave! Congratulations, Dave! $10,800. What are we doing? We are doubling it. Dave, we are doubling it to $21,600. Congratulations. Wow, memories to last a lifetime and a whole lot of money. But you know what? The biggest winning is coming up next in the Cash Challenge. Come on back and check it out.
That was fantastic. That first spin, and I picked A because my daughter's name is Angela. So I used that A to pick, so I'm just tickled to death.
And now it is time for tonight's winning lottery numbers and winners of a spot on the December 24th Cash Explosion Show. Coming your way live from the Ohio Lottery's Cleveland studios. Good luck. Welcome back to Cash Explosion's Columbus studios and tonight's Cash Challenge. All right, when we see one of your names on 3 of these squares, we will have tonight's champion. And I want to remind all of you that we have $25,000 in bonus bucks hidden on some of those squares. We are going to start off with Judy because, Judy, you are the defending champion. So go ahead and pick a square that feels good to you.
5.
Number 5. Behind number 5, it is Greg.
Thank you.
All right, he said thank you. That was sweet. Greg, it is your turn now.
All right. I like number 3, please.
Number 3 for Greg. $5,000 in bonus bucks, Greg. You know what? This is going to be a really big boat that you're buying, I got a feeling. All this money you're getting. This is good. Dave, it's your turn.
11.
11, behind number 11. Dave, you found Greg's name.
All right.
Judy,
Yeah.
I know you want to stay there.
Yes, I do.
If you find Greg's
like
name.
forever.
Yeah, forever. Wow. Yeah, unlimited winning could be forever. Wow. Number 7, if Greg is there, he's still here. He'll be back next week behind number 7. It's Dave. It is Dave.
play, Tiffany.
Return.
All right, Greg.
Let's go for number 1.
Number 1. Behind number 1, do we have a champion? Do we have money? What's going on behind number 1? It's Greg! Greg Simpson of Olmsted Falls. You are tonight's Cash Explosion champion. Guess what? You are taking home a $50,000 prize. We're going to see you next week facing new challenges for more money. Congratulations, Greg. Sharon will be here next Saturday in the studio for more Cash Explosion winning. You want to come and join her. Good night, Ohio. How much did tonight's winners take home? Well, they added up a total of $162,700. You can get a piece of winning like that, but you've got to get your tickets in, spend a couple of bucks, and get on this show. Good night, Ohio.